Hi guys, just a quick video on Seat Altea XL. I think this can be applied to Seat Leon as well, and a few other VAG cars like Volkswagens. Basically, this car just failed MOT on this broken bracket which holds the headlight. Headlight is held by 3 bolts. One, there is 2 which is out already here, and there is 3 just here. So my concern was if I have to replace the whole headlight or not. There are lots of videos on YouTube showing how to fix it, like gluing, welding, and I don't think that's the right solution, especially if the solution can come from a dealer for very cheap. You can buy a bracket like this. It's called fixing kit. It comes with a little screw, like this, but it doesn't fit, so I've got a bit bigger screw. I'll try to cover it all in one shot, so not to bore you. You remove the bumper. It's screws from here, then from the bottom along here, and same on the other side, and there is always one screw that goes from the bumper into the wing, like that. Yeah, and we have 4 screws at the top here, T30s. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you remove the whole bumper. So it's pretty simple. Pull it out, remove those 3 bolts. For if there's any connections to fog lights, remove them. This headlight is removed already. There is a plug for it, this one here, so you simply press it and remove the headlight. And I just was wondering, how do I do it, how do I fix it? So it's specially designed to fit here. It has few holes here. You just slide it on this plastic grooves, and then it goes in, and then you fix it with the screw in here. Meant to go with this screw, but this one doesn't fit, so I'm gonna fit a bit bigger screw, and then it holds in properly in place, and it's a solid piece of plastic, and problem solved. Hope it helps. And there's lots of them sold in eBay. I'm gonna put the link for them if you're looking for them. So as you can see, this is a final result. The light holds in place nice and solid, not moving. As I said, this light was designed to be fixed with a kit like this. There are special splines, a special hole for that screw. Screw didn't fit, I had to find a bigger one, but nevertheless it's designed to be fixed with. And it even has a part number from dealership. Hang on. This is the part number, 5P09410058. So the reason I made this video is just because I couldn't find this information on internet, and these brackets are sold quite common, not necessarily at dealerships. I'll put some links in description where you can buy them on eBay, for example. You're welcome, hope it helps.